take a look at the periodic table. As we already know, the symbols represent the different elements it contains. As we go along the periods, we can see the elements are arranged according to their atomic number, or the number of protons they contain. Let's take a look at helium. The number at the top here is atomic number or proton number, and I'm sure you can guess what that represents. Yes, it's the number of protons. Every element is defined by its unique atomic number. For example, carbon atoms will always have 6 protons, otherwise they cannot be carbon. We can grab another piece of information from atomic numbers. Atoms have equal number of protons and electrons, so that the positive charge of the protons cancel out the negative charge of the electrons, meaning that normal atoms have no overall charge. So knowing this information, we can find out how many electrons are present in an atom by just referring to its atomic number. So in an atom of carbon, the proton number is 6. So there are 6 protons as well as 6 electrons. So we already know that the atomic number is the number of protons, but what about the bigger number? This number represents the mass number of an atom. The mass number tells you the number of protons and the number of neutrons. The information you see here, the atomic number tells you there are 8 protons, and from this and the mass number we can calculate the number of neutrons, 16 minus 8. So there are 8 neutrons present in the nucleus of an oxygen atom. But what about the number of electrons? Well, as discussed before, the number of protons equals the number of electrons in an atom. So an oxygen atom contains 8 electrons. So let's see whether you got that. Here are some mass numbers and atomic numbers for different elements. See if you can work out the number of electrons and neutrons. So how did you do? Let's take a look.